In this video, I'll be giving you a thorough review of the Hims Topical Finasteride and Minoxidil Spray. This product is marketed as a solution to male pattern baldness and hair thinning, combining the benefits of two proven ingredients, finasteride and minoxidil. I've been using this spray for several months now, and I want to share my experience, the results I've seen, and whether I think it's effective in treating hair loss. At first, I was a bit skeptical about using a topical treatment like this one. I've tried other methods in the past, and not all of them have lived up to the hype. But after doing some research on Hims and the ingredients involved, I decided to give it a try. The spray is easy to apply, and I've been using it once a day, just as directed. The biggest question is, does it work? For me, I started seeing results after about 2 months. I noticed new hair growth along my hairline and less thinning at the crown. It's not a miracle product, and it doesn't work overnight, but the gradual improvement is definitely noticeable. I've been using it consistently, and I plan to continue for a few more months to see how far it can take me. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The spray can leave a bit of residue on your hair, especially if you use it too much, so I recommend applying it at night before bed to avoid it interfering with your day. Also, while it's an effective product, it does require consistent use for the best results. If you stop using it, your progress can reverse. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. While the Hims Topical Finasteride and Minoxidil Spray is effective for hair regrowth, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some users may not see the same results, and there could be side effects like dryness or irritation for a few individuals. But overall, for those looking for a reliable topical solution for hair loss, it's worth giving it a try. If you're thinking about using this product, I'd recommend consulting with a healthcare professional first to ensure it's the right option for you. If you decide to try it, remember that consistency is key. The product's long-term effects are where the real benefits lie, and the first few months might just be the beginning of your hair regrowth journey. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.